ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ಉಪ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಗಣ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳೇ, ಪೋಷಕರೇ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಇ ಟೆಕ್ನೋ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳನಗರ 2024-25ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಶಾಲಾ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳ ಉತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆದುರು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಲು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಸನೀಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಂಬಲದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಲಿದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Symbolizes hope, introspection and a fresh start in life. Wishing everyone a warm good morning. Narayana E-Techno School, Ramurthy Nagar proudly presents its annual fest Gravito 2024, and we warmly welcome our distinguished guests, parents and guardians who have graciously taken time out of their busy schedules to join us today to watch their children oozing with talent. I, Sweta Krishna,
and Shankara
are excited to be your MCs for this magnificent morning filled with enthusiasm and celebration.
We warmly welcome the transformational leader who has redefined the boundaries of education, inspiring a generation of learners to reach new heights, who is none other than our beloved principal Neelima ma'am onto the stage. We request Academic Dean Guru sir, Vice Principals Mary ma'am and Soumya ma'am to honor her with a bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. I humbly invite our AGM, KVR sir, the man of innovation who distinguishes between a great leader and a follower. I invite a compassionate Vandana ma'am, who is a eKids coordinator, onto the stage. I request Vasanta ma'am, eKids coordinator, onto the stage. Thank you, ma'am. Dear parents, we have someone very special with us. Our guest is one among us, a proud alumni of Narayana E-Techno School, Ramurthy Nagar, in the academic year 2019-20. It's our pleasure to welcome back to him, accomplished Mr. Sanjeeban Ghosh. Please join us in welcoming Mr. Sanjeeban Ghosh, our distinguished alumni, as a chief guest. I request our principal ma'am to honor the chief guest along with Vandana ma'am. Thank you for your presence, Mr. Sanjeeban Ghosh. Surrounded by flowers, a warm smile, I reminded the beauty that unites us. Smile, a beautiful greetings. Let's embrace them with an open heart and smile. I invite Kavita ma'am to welcome the gathering.
A very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Kavita, a proud teacher of Narayana E Techno School, Ramamurthy Nagar. It gives me immense pleasure to share this stage today to welcome all of you for the annual day celebrations of our prestigious institution. I feel glad to stand in front of you to welcome our honorable chief guest, Sri Sanjeevan Ghosh, the acclaimed medical professional. I would like to welcome him and express my gratitude on behalf of our institution for gracing the occasion with his presence. I welcome you, sir. I extend a warm welcome to our AGM, sir, R&D heads, zonal coordinators, and all the invited dignitaries for the wonderful event. I welcome you all. I feel grateful to welcome our respected principal, ma'am, Srimati Neelima, ma'am. She is a great and exceptional leader and inspiration for all of us. She is a role model for all the teachers and students. I welcome you, ma'am. I take this opportunity to welcome the vice principals of EKIDS, CHAMPS, and academic dean of Techno, and all the teaching and non-teaching staffs for their constant support and empowerment, which in turn has added more colors to this event. I extend my warm welcome to all our parents and students who stood with us for every step we take. We welcome you all. Dear audience, you can expect an extravagant and complete entertaining day ahead. The children's performance shall leave you mesmerized. Let us make this opportunity to celebrate, learn, and grow together. Once again, I welcome you all for this wonderful event. Thank you.
It is my pleasure to invite Soumya ma'am to briefly introduce our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Sanjeevan Ghosh, who is a proud alumni of Narayana E-Techno School, Ramamurthy Nagar, and share insights into his remarkable achievements and inspiring journey.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Soumya Shri, Vice Principal of EKIDS, welcoming you all to our event Gravito 2024. It is my pleasure to welcome a remarkable alumnus back to our school. Today, we are honored to have with us Sanjeevan Ghosh, a proud member of 2019-20 batch. Since leaving our halls, Sanjeevan has embarked on an inspiring journey in the field of medicine and is currently pursuing his MBBS at the Koppal Institute of Medical Sciences. It is an honor for us to have such a great student grace this occasion with his presence. Your experience will undoubtedly enrich our annual day celebration. Your presence here today is a testament to your commitment to education and the holistic development of our young minds. Once again, a very warm welcome to you, sir. Please give a hearty round of applause to our chief guest, Mr. Sanjeevan Ghosh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rooted in India's rich heritage, we proudly uphold the tradition of Aditi Devo Bhava, means treating our guests at most respect, reverence, and recognizing their inherent divinity. Dear parents, today we are profoundly fortunate to have Mr. Sanjeevan Ghosh as our honored chief guest. With a great honor and pleasure, I humbly request our chief guest to graciously accept this token of our heartfelt gratitude. I humbly request our respected principal, Neelima ma'am, to kindly felicitate our distinguished chief guest with this symbolic gesture of appreciation. Thank you, Mr. Sanjeevan Ghosh, for accepting our invitation and making it a grand one in this beautiful occasion.
A beacon of wisdom shines so bright, banishing shadows, guiding light. It's a radiant glow, a gift to all, illuminating paths standing tall. Light is a symbol of progress and happiness. Let's spread the joy through the divine shine and seek the bless of Almighty. Now I invite Principal Neelima Ma'am, AGM KVS sir, and Coordinator Vasanta Ma'am to graciously escort our esteemed guest to kindle the divine spark by lighting the lamp. I request other dignitaries to join. Thank you.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं
Esteemed dignitaries to take the seats for the remainder of the day. Your presence is deeply appreciated and holds great significance for us.
Exceptional leadership inspire others to strive for the greatness, yielding a bountiful harvest of achievements. Action speaks louder than words. An exemplary role model have the power to transform the world. It's my honor to invite our esteemed principal, Neelima ma'am, to share the valuable insight and expertise us today.
Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Good morning, everyone. I, Neelima M., the principal of RMN branch, it is my distinct pleasure to welcome you all to the annual day celebration of Narayana E-Techno School. The Narayana Group proudly stands as one of Asia's largest educational institutions in 23 states, over 50,000 dedicated professionals committed to delivering world-class education to more than 6 lakh students. Our mission extends beyond schools. We also offer comprehensive institutes for civil services, coaching centers, and correspondence courses to empower career-oriented learners. For the past 45 years, Narayana has been at the forefront of educational excellence, and our esteemed reputation resets in the capable hands of our management team, Mr. Puneet Kotappa, President, Dr. Sindhura P., Director, and Mrs. Sharani P., Director. Narayana School highlights. Allow me to share a glimpse into our innovative programs, beginning with Narayana E-Kids. This unique preschool initiative is designed to nurture young minds and foster essential developmental skills. As we like to say, we give wings to the child and watch them soar. A key features of E-Kids: a thoughtfully planned curriculum, common micro-schedule, teaching and examinations, child-centric learning experience, highly trained educators, optimal student-teacher ratio, and enrichment programs aimed at enhancing literacy and numeracy skills. public speaking initiatives for language development, theme-based culmination for holistic growth. ECHAM's initiatives at Narayana. Our classroom experience is enriched by a wide era of activity-based learning, enabling our students to blossom into confident, articulate, and socially aware individuals. Some of our standout programs: No Back Day, Language Development Program, STEAM Activity, Math Enhancement Program, Club Activity, Abacus, Vedic Maths, NTOP for classes 4th and 5th, Club Enrichment, various events and competitions, Spell Bee, Quiz Wiz, Sports Day, Annual Day, Know My India competitions, Master Junior Orator, Little Teacher competitions, Academic Fair, SLC, Student-led conference. Lastly, I would like to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to our AGM sir, KVR sir, and R&D heads, Karthik sir, Usha madam, and Vandana madam, and our journal coordinators for their unwavering support and dedication. I also want to acknowledge the invaluable efforts of our teaching and non-teaching staff. I want to extend my heartfelt appreciation to my parents. Your support has been crucial in helping our children overcome challenges and achieve their goals. Once again, I thank each of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
A remarkable individual inspires excellence, fosters dreams, and nurtures creativity, and instills confidence. They impart valuable knowledge, touch hearts, and transform life profoundly. It is my privilege to invite the esteemed personality of the day, Mr. Sanjeeban Ghosh, to take the stage and to captivate the audience.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, respected parents, teachers, students, a warm good morning to everyone. Myself, Sanjeeban Ghosh, an MBBS student at Koppal Institute of Medical Sciences and an alumni of Narayana E-Techno School, Ramamurthy Nagar, branch, academic year 2019-20. Firstly, it feels very nostalgic to be in this stage because few years back I was sitting right there where you people are sitting and looking onto the stage where chief guests were being called upon. And today, the journey from there to here makes me feel very proud, honored, and grateful. I'm honored to be here today as a chief guest, representing the achievements of this esteemed institution. As a rising doctor, I am proud to say that my educational foundation was laid right here in this very school. To the parents, I want to assure you that you have made an excellent choice in entrusting your children's education to this school. The dedication, guidance, and support provided here have shaped me into the person I am today. This school's emphasis on academic excellence, character development, and competitive spirit has not only helped me excel in my profession, but also instill in me the values necessary to make a positive change and impact in the society. As a student, I was nurtured and encouraged to explore my potential. The teachers and staffs were instrumental in fostering a love for learning, creativity, and critical thinking. These skills have served me well throughout my life and journey. To the students, I would say that your time here is crucial. Make the most of the opportunities provided. Engage with your teachers, participate in extracurricular activities, and develop meaningful relationships with your peers. Remember, education is not just about academics, it's about becoming responsible, empathetic, and informed individuals. To the school administration and staff, I express my gratitude for your timeless efforts in shaping young minds. In conclusion, I am living proof that this school's commitment to excellence works. I am proud to be an alumni, and I am confident that your children will thrive here. Thank you for this invitation, ma'am, and I wish the school continues the success. Thank you.
Mr. Sanjeeban Ghosh, we are so grateful for your presence.
The Narayana Group. Our story began in 1979 with the launch of a modest coaching center in the city of Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Interestingly, the foundation stone of this story was laid much earlier by Dr. Narayana Guru through his extraordinary academic feats and his passion for teaching. Dr. Ponguru is a postgraduate gold medalist in mathematics and holds a PhD in statistics from SV University, Tirupati. His expertise in mathematics and his zeal for making students fall in love with the subject were the inception point of his illustrious career. Dr. Ponguru has made significant contributions to society in multiple roles as a teacher and mentor, an entrepreneur, and a prominent political figure. As the Minister of Municipal Administration and Urban Development in the Andhra Pradesh government, he is committed to driving development in all areas. His role as an educator continues to make a significant impact through the chain of schools and institutions that stand as a testament to the legacy he has built over the years of his active contribution. After our coaching center in Nellore in 1979, we established our first residential high school and junior college there in 1985. And by 1997, there were multiple branches across Hyderabad. Spreading our wings further, we founded our first medical college, engineering college, and a general hospital in 1998. In 2003, a period of rapid expansion led to the establishment of over 50 new Narayana schools across undivided Andhra Pradesh. We marked momentous progress in 2012 when we established our first CBSE school in Bangalore, Karnataka. But we were only halfway through our journey. In 2014, the progress continued southward with the opening of a Narayana school in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. In 2016, our growth reached new heights when metropolises like Mumbai and Delhi welcomed our schools, coaching centers, and junior colleges. The contributing factors to such rapid growth and success are many, one of which is, of course, the unwavering support of visionaries such as our founder, Mr. Ponguru, and our passionate educators. Another important factor is our extensive curriculum, which caters to nursery, pre-primary, primary, and high school students, as well as engineering and medical aspirants and students, and UPSC aspirants. To support the dreams of many others, we also offer special preparation programs to help students prepare for exams like JEE and NEET. We take pride in our research and development team that customizes curriculum, textbooks, workbooks, and test series to complement classroom teaching conducted by our experienced and spirited teachers. There is a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes, especially on the part of our faculty and the research and development team. Their effort was paramount in the COVID times when our teachers conducted over 10,000 live classes, made 1.5 crore minutes of video lectures available online, and conducted more than 1 crore tests online. This was, of course, complementary to Narayana's digital offerings of videos, assessments, activities, live classes, problem-solving videos, and more available on our NLearn app. Today, the Narayana Group has grown to encompass over 23 states with a staff of more than 50,000 educators who inspire and educate a staggering 6 lakh students every day. Our entities include Narayana Education Society, Narayana Education Trust, Rama Narayana Education Trust, Narayana Coaching Centers, Narayana Professional Colleges, Enspira Management Services Private Limited, and Greater Than Educational Technology. Through all our entities, We are dedicated to the service of society, directed by our vision of determination, progress, and excellence. We are committed to instill a well-rounded academic rigor and imbue a zeal for competition so that one's course of action can lead one to reach the zenith of meaningful success.
Thank you, proud parents, for trusting Narayana. With your support only, we have achieved this milestone.
मूषिकवाहन मोदकहस्त चामरकर्ण विलम्बित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते मूषिकवाहन मोदकहस्त चामरकर्ण विलम्बित सूत्र वामन
Her synchronization, energy, and passion towards the dance were palpable.
નથી જે મજામાં ખાલી વાવટા સજામાં એવો હાડનો પ્રવાસી ગોતીલો ગોતીલો તમે ગોતીલો 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 તમે ગોતીલો ગોતીલો નથી જે મજામાં ખાલી વાવટા સજામાં એવો હાડનો પ્રવાસી ગોતીલો
એવો કોણ છે ખલાસી મને કહી દો ને એના સામને ઠેકાણા મને દઈ દો ને એવો કોણ છે ખલાસી મને કહી દો ને
ગોતીલો તમે ગોતીલો ગોતીલો
એવો કોણ છે ખલાસી મને કહી દો ને એના સામને ઠેકાણા મને દઈ દો ને એવો કોણ છે ખલાસી મને કહી દો ને
ગોતીલો તમે ગોતીલો ગોતીલો
हाँ मिलना दस दे कोई था दस दे मेरी जान दस दे हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
performance ആണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായി. Radiating joy, the shining eyes, downy hair and plump chin.
Come on baby, let's go on the bullet tour. On the velo pad kundam duet tour.
Come on baby, let's go on the bullet tour. On the velo pad kundam duet tour.
Hey my golden sparrow.
Vama kaman sing queen tedi bandang king daila pipi dum mala mati pod ring golden sparrow yenendila arrow neela the life yo romba sorrow mask of sorrow nama payan da hero singing duet vera yaro kapil
धड़काए
जाए, दिल धड़काए, सीटी बजाए, बीच सड़क पे नखरे दिखाए, सारे हो करके इशारे, हो लड़की हो लड़की हो लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे।
Our tiny titans have taken us a ride on their bullet, accelerating creativity and innovation. वाह, ये सीटी तो बजाना चाहिए ना? Dear parents, can you whistle it for them?
Oh, you said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, Perignon. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
मोहब्बत करनी है, हमने मोहब्बत की है, इस दिल के अलावा किसी से भी ना हमने इजाजत ली है। हुनर है ये भी इश्क का, किसी किसी को आता है, जान लुटा के दुश्मन की हमने हिफाजत की है। बात करते हैं हजारों, तजुर्बा हमें यारों, बात करते हैं हजारों, है तजुर्बा हमें यारों। ऐसी है बांध लूं मुझ पे वो झूमे जो पठान मेरी जान, महफिल ही लुट जाए, दे दे जो जुबान मेरी जान, उस पे मर मिट जाए।
Dear parents, I understand you are enthusiastic that your child is performing.
Dear parents, it's a humble
Our first category of award congratulations to our deserving winners.
Let's move. Hearty congratulations to the winners.
Dear parents, I request you to be seated. We are going to provide you photos.
Move it, I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. All girls all over the world. Original King Julian for the girls, man. I love how all the girls they love to move their body. When you move your body, you know move it nice and sweet and sassy. Alright? Woman, you cute and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, you cute and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit. Woman, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big ship body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, energetic. Big ship body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big ship body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big ship body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Eyeliner, on your face and make man mud up. Nose powder, on your face and make man mud up. Pluck your eyebrow, on your face and make man mud up. Girl, your lipstick, on your face and make man mud up. Woman, your nice broad face and your nice hip. Make man flip and bust them lip. Woman, you're nice and energetic. Big ship on the ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, a nice broad face and a nice hip. Make man flip and bust them lip. Woman, you're nice and energetic. Big ship on the ocean at the big Titanic. Whoa! I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. They like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye to you. Farewell.
I have moved by your performance.
Feeling something, something. Hello, honey bunny, toko, toko. You're my pumpkin. Hello, honey bunny. I'm your dumpling. Hello, honey bunny. Feeling something, something. Hello, honey bunny, toko, toko. How many times Lady Love had given me missed calls? What to tell you, lazy like no battery at all. Idhar udhar heart bouncing like a ping pong ball. Tring. Hello, honey bunny. Feeling something, something. Hello, honey bunny. You're my pumpkin. Hello, honey bunny, toko, toko. such a stupid fellow, that is what I thought. Making people know other work or what? Got to know him better when you entered the plot. Thanks to his idea, you're my honey bunny. I'm your pumpkin pia, you're my honey bunny. Bole drink Gia, you're my honey bunny, toco.
I'm your pumpkin, hello honey bunny.
Hello.
I'm your dumpling, hello honey bunny.
Hello.
Feeling something, hello honey bunny, toco.
Drink, hello honey bunny.
Hello.
Feeling something, hello honey bunny.
Hello.
You're my pumpkin, hello honey bunny, togo.
I'm your pumpkin, hello honey bunny.
Hello.
I'm your dumpling, hello honey bunny.
Hello.
Feeling something, hello honey bunny, toco.
Drink, hello honey bunny.
Hello.
Feeling something, hello honey bunny.
Hello.
You're my pumpkin, hello honey bunny, togo.
Oh, you have a way of making my heart